Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to get a banner for Discord server. As you can see, currently I'm in a server and here we can see this server banner photo. If I go to another server, here we can see this server banner photo. So if you want to add a banner photo to your server, here's how you can get banner photo option. Go to your server and click on your server name. Click on server settings. And here scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on server boost status. And here, if you scroll down to this level 2 perks section, here we can see here you will get server banner option. So to add banner to your Discord server, you have to complete this level 2 perks. Once you complete it, now here you have to click on overview and here you will get server banner background option. All you have to need, just click on upload background and you will be able to upload a background photo for your server banner. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.